you go. Yep.
There you go. Against the,
Against the string, Roland said.
That's good.
So you guys are good right
a
there.
little farther away.
You gotta fine tune it and put it in place, so. Okay. And on top of that one?
You're on top. Do we have to go to the far bolt?
Yeah.
Okay, then we need about.
Probably need to lower that frame then.
Where's the big guy? Where's that big rat tail? That big bar. You see that big bar like that one?
Oh yeah, I was gonna send it to you. I just can't see the name.
Now this was a gap down here. Oh, the whole thing needs to come up this end down.
Glad to see
Okay.
you.
So. It looks like this one would go. Almost.
This is a glorified deck, really.
Where should we start putting it?
So I heard you got recruited while hiking.
Oh yeah.
Was this your plan for the weekend?
I'm doing whatever he says. He just retired. And so I'm driving him.
So
The way they're coming in.
So we have this one. And we've got another one that goes with it.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it?
Yeah, that's it.
Set.
Yep, we need to work from the center out, so let's make sure everybody's done the center.